Hi everybody, this is Sanjana. Welcome back again. In this video, we will be looking at Grade 8, Unit 1 Science Importance of Microorganisms. In this video, we are going to talk about the importance of microorganisms, spoilage of food, some examples for microorganisms, and what microorganisms are with explanations. I'm quite sure by the end of this video that you will grasp a better understanding on importance of microorganisms. Friends, are you ready? If you are ready, let's get started.
Grade 8, Unit 1 Science Importance of Microorganisms. What is a microorganism? The unicellular, it means single-celled, or multicellular organisms which cannot be observed clearly by naked eye are called microorganisms. Some examples for microorganisms: bacteria, algae, fungal species, amoeba, and paramecium. Let's do an activity to observe the invisible living organisms. For this activity, you will need a sample of coconut water, a glass light, a cover slip, and light microscope. The method: put the coconut water into a clean container and keep it for 3 days. Then put a drop of coconut water onto the glass slide and cover it with a cover slip. Observe the prepared slide through a light microscope under low power. You can present your observations through diagrams. The observation: it is obvious that the unicellular fungal variety called yeast can be observed mainly in the above sample. Conclusion: yeast is a unicellular fungal variety. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms live in all environments, such as atmosphere, water, and soil. The Dutch scientist Antonie van Leeuwenhoek observed microorganisms for the very first time in 1674 using the simple microscope that he invented. This is a picture of the Dutch scientist Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. Effects of microorganisms on food. The microbial activities change the color, the texture, odor, and appearance of food. The taste and the nutritional value of food also change. What is food spoilage? Food becomes unfavorable for consumption due to the changes of properties. This is known as spoilage of food. Let's do an activity to observe spoilage of food. You will need a slice of bread, some water, a glass light, a cover slip, and a microscope. Method: spray some water on the slice of bread and keep it for 3 days. Take some of the substance grown on the slice of bread and place on the glass slide. Put a drop of water on it. Cover the slide with a cover slip. Observe the slide through the microscope under low power. Observation: it is obvious that there are some fibers and black structures on bread. There is a kind of fungi which spoils bread. Conclusion: microbial growth causes food spoilage. What is the main reason for food spoilage? The main reason for food spoilage is the growth of microorganisms on food and release of their byproducts. Let's study about the microbial activity. You will need sugar, yeast, a balloon, warm water 40 Celsius degrees, a bottle 500 ml, a beaker or a suitable container. Method: dissolve 2 teaspoons of sugar in 200 ml of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast into the above sugar solution. Leave it for about 20 minutes and observe. Next, pour a newly prepared solution into the bottle. Then fix the balloon to the mouth of the bottle. Record your observations after about 20 minutes. The observation: you will see that the balloon has been inflated. The conclusion: this is because a gas is produced due to the activity of yeast in sugar solution. The gas produced here is carbon dioxide. Rising of bread due to the activity of yeast. We all know that yeast is a key ingredient in bakery products. The activity of yeast forms carbon dioxide and makes the dough rise. Ethyl alcohol evaporates during the process of baking. What are the two main factors that contribute to microbial activity? Moisture and temperature. Microbial activities depend on the type of food. Fermentation. Microbial activity on food high in sugar leads to fermentation. Putrefaction. Microbial activity on food high in protein leads to putrefaction. Rancidity. Microbial activity on food high in fat leads to rancidity. Let's look at some applications of microorganisms. Producing antibiotics, producing vaccines, producing cheese, bakery products, producing curd, and producing yogurt. Infectious diseases caused to man. Virus, common cold, dengue, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Bacteria, tuberculosis, leprosy, and typhoid fever. Protozoa, malaria, leishmaniasis, and amoebiasis. Fungi, pityriasis, and sore. Infectious diseases caused to animals. Rabies, mastitis, foot and mouth diseases. Infections caused to plants. Blight, mosaic disease, leaf curl disease. This is the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want more videos like this, please like, share and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you in another video with another lesson. Bye friends.